Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Play Store and confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. Once done, tap your profile icon, then Payments and Subscriptions to view payment methods. You need to see a Google Play balance entry. If it's missing, add gift card or payment source now. Make sure to have any redemption codes ready. You do this because purchases draw from that balance first, saving linked cards for remaining amounts. You redeem codes by tapping Redeem Code in the Payments menu and entering the alphanumeric code. Press Redeem to add funds. Once balance exists, pick any paid app or subscription and hit Buy. On the payment screen, select Google Play Balance as the payment method. If your balance covers part of the price, Play will combine it with your backup card automatically. For subscriptions, verify recurring charges will draw from Play. You finish by confirming the transaction. Open Payments and Subscriptions, then Purchase History to see the order and remaining Play balance. If a purchase fails, first check that your device country matches your Google account, payment method is valid, and balance is sufficient. Then retry. If funds were deducted but content didn't deliver, locate the order ID and contact Google support. Explain the issue and provide the ID. That speeds refund or delivery resolution and prevents repeated charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.